Hey folks, we're out here in the Viburnum area here with Extension Agent Gabrielle Milch, and we're going to be talking about the famous Viburnum Odoratissium, one of the most popular big hedges that we have here in Central Florida. This is a real good shrub. Why do you think this is such a good shrub?
Well, I think it is a hardy shrub. It's cold tolerant, and I think that it has a place in the landscape in a lot of established homes in Central Florida.
And of course it's evergreen and it's cold hardy, and there's not usually a lot of issues. We have had some problems with some bacterial leaf spot on the plant that needs to be treated with copper if that does happen. If you're not sure you've got a declining shrub, you're welcome to bring down some of that shrub to the Extension Service and we can give you a true diagnosis of it. But it's a great bush. It's also called sweet viburnum, and usually used as a big screening plant between neighbors or to block a roadway or something like that. But evergreen, cold hardy, and a pretty good critter there.
So the mature height of these shrubs is about 25 to 30 feet, and they can grow as a tree in your yard as well.
Yeah, sometimes you'll see them as small trees, but usually people keep them, 6, 9 feet as a screening hedge, and a good pruning. It is a very fast-growing big hedge, so you may have to prune this about 3 times a year to keep it in bounds and keep it full at the bottom.
So I see there's a lot of nice berries on this plant. Is this good for wildlife?
Oh, for sure. The birds and the wildlife for sure will be eating these berries. They'll get kind of nice and dark red. They're just now kind of forming, and so it's not really edible for people, but it's a good berry for wildlife.
So I see here we've got a nice native alternative for this shrub here, Jim.
Yeah, we have the Walter's viburnum. The original Walter's viburnum is a big bush. This is a dwarf called Whorled class, and it's very tight. It only gets to 4 feet, so not really a screening bush, but and usually people keep it at about 1.5 feet, 2 feet as a small bush. And you can see it's getting ready to flower again. It flowers twice a year. Being native, it really doesn't have any issues, no bug or fungus problems. A real tough little shrub.
So it'd be good to use in a hedge, and you could alternate some of the natives with the non-native varieties?
Yeah, this is a glossy green. You can plant these in front of your window without blocking your window, and just a real tough, good plant. That's the world-class Walter's viburnum. Thanks, folks. Jim Hunter with your short and sweet tip of the day.